your guide to YouTube TV cable-free live streaming. Want to start enjoying live TV without a cable contract? Let's walk through YouTube TV's subscription options in just a few simple steps. Choose your plan. YouTube TV has exciting plans tailored to your needs. Base plan at $82.99 a month includes over 100 live channels of sports, news, and entertainment. Plus, enjoy unlimited DVR, 3 simultaneous streams, and up to 6 accounts per household. Spanish plan for just $34.99 a month offers 30+ Spanish language channels with all the same fantastic features. Explore add-ons. Want to enhance your experience? Check out these add-ons. 4K Plus for $9.99 a month lets you watch select content in stunning 4K and stream on unlimited devices at home. Sports Plus for $10.99 a month gives you access to extra sports channels like NFL Red Zone and Fox College Sports. Premium channels are available at various prices, featuring HBO Max, Showtime, Starz, and more. NFL Sunday Ticket, optional. Are you an NFL fan? Add NFL Sunday Ticket to your base plan for $349 a year, or get it standalone for $449 a year and enjoy every out-of-market Sunday NFL game. Sign up and start watching. Getting started is easy. Go to tv.youtube.com. Click Try It free if available. Sign in with your Google account. Choose your plan and any desired add-ons. Enter your payment details, and you're all set to start streaming. Quick tips. New users might score promotional pricing, such as $69.99 a month for the first 6 months. There are no contracts, so you can cancel anytime. YouTube TV is compatible with most smart TVs, streaming devices, phones, and tablets. That's it. You're all set to enjoy live TV with YouTube TV.